Hello, today we are going to try to rebuild a battery for this absolutely beautiful iRobot mopping device. It got a problem, it came straight out from charger, and when we power it on, it makes sound, it makes a beeping, and it turns itself off. So we've got problem with battery that do not hold any charge, and we are going to try to take care of it. There is absolutely no problem in purchasing replacement battery, but we are going to try to rebuild that battery pack by ourselves. So first we are going to remove that screw, and underneath we are going to find our battery pack. This is how it presents. So we've got a genuine battery, and it's being attached by that cord. We've got 3 wires, so maybe we are going to get a temp sensor inside. Let me unplug it, and let's take a look what we've got. So we've got a 7.2 volt, 2000 milliamp hour nickel metal hydride battery. So it is going to be extremely easy to rebuild. Let me take a look. I've got 6 IKEA Lada nickel metal hydride that got a greater capacity. We are going to get improvement. If I take a look, they've got exactly the same dimensions, so we are going to get 6 of those in series, and we are going to make absolutely beautiful battery pack. So I'm pretty sure we are going to get success. Let's begin our work from taking a look how the battery pack is built. So we have to remove that heat shrink tubing. And let's see what we've got. They must be connected in series, which is absolutely okay, but where goes this third wire? I would expect we are going to get some the NTC or PTC sensor, but I cannot see it right now. Here I believe we've got a fuse. It would be important to preserve it. Let's take a look at the back. And I cannot see where this third wire go. Is it go into the middle of the battery pack? This is quite interesting design. It is quite interesting. No, everything is as I expected. Our thermal probe is located here, and that's why we've got 2 wires in the same spot. So it was just inserted like this and was measuring temp inside of that battery pack. So it is going to be extremely simple job. Let's try to redo it. So that side is being done. Just take a look how beautiful it presents. We've got 1-to-1 copy. I spot well that longer tab, but we have to make sure that it's conducting electricity. Okay, so it's not blown, and we can mount it. This is how it presents. As you can clearly see, we are moving toward it's being one-to-one copy. Now the upside down. We go with our positive, which is located here, and I've got a correct battery tab for that task. Just take a look how beautiful it's present. We will be able to slide it here and nicely cover. Then we've got with our double pole, and it's going to contain our temp sensor, so it's going to be quite interesting. I am not extremely proud of it, but I think it's going to be working. I will add Kapton tape to insulate it properly. So let's take a look what we are still missing. And we've got that link that I have to take a look. And looks like here we've got a reset-able fuse, most likely at the lower temp, so it will able to reset itself like a bimetallic. This is my assumption, but I might be wrong. So let's try to resolder it. I'm very far away from saying that looks good. Let's assume that it is a terrible job, but I'm going to give it a pass. Let's find correct heat shrink tube for it. We need a larger one, so we are going to cut it like this. That will make it nicely stay. Okay, so we go like this, and we are going to heat shrink it. It's supposed to look more professional, but I'm not sure if it's looking better. Let's check the voltages. So we've got our negative, and the red is going to be our positive. I'm reading 8 volt, which is totally fine. The white is going to be our NTC or PTC sensor. So I believe we can mount it on our tool. Last take a look, was it worth? If you are looking for saving money, then definitely not, but I wanted to have it right now and I've got more capacity. So in my opinion, it was a success. Let me plug it in. Let's take a look, will it fit? Because that's always the biggest reservation. Maybe upside down. Yes, looks like it's going to be fitting correctly. Let's put those wires aside. Let's try to secure it. We go like this. We screw it in. And let's see what's going to happen as we press our button. And we do not have the low battery warning. So looks like we've got a great success. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.